Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided side bun. To start, we're going to divide the hair into 3 equal sections. And working on that right hand side, we're going to secure this into a low ponytail. Next, working on that middle section, we're just going to create a 3-strand braid and tie this off with a clear elastic band. And finally, another 3-strand braid on that left hand section. Now add some texture spray to both those braids. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And all we're going to do is create a small hole behind the elastic band of that ponytail and pull that middle section through the hole. Use your fingers to pinch and pull at the edge of the braids to make it nice and voluminous, and pin it to the head if need be. And then we're going to repeat the same steps on that other braid, so pull it through the hole, pinch and pull at the edges of the braid, and then secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Next, tie everything to that ponytail and remove the elastic bands from the ends of the braid. Then spray more texture spray all over the top of the head and pinch and pull so you create more texture. Now we're going to do another 3-strand braid all the way to the end of the ponytail, and again secure it with an elastic band. Add some more texture spray and really pinch and pull this braid apart. I've cut up a hair donut and I'm just taking some of that padding and forming it into a ball shape, and I'm just placing this at the base of the ponytail. Then secure it all around the outside with a few bobby pins. Take hold of that braid and all we're going to do is pop the ends of it into a gap behind that padding, so keep tucking it in. Next, secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Now we're just going to pinch and pull at the edges of those braids to cover up all that padding, and we're just going to pin it in place with a few bobby pins. And do this all around the outside of the bun. Once everything's secure, just pinch and pull at various sections of that bun to make it nice and voluminous. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.